Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Finally doing it. Got the welder. Got this. Using this crappy Black & Decker drill. Wire brush. It's working pretty good so far. Oh fuck. And that's why you be safe. And that's why you use a shitty drill too, because not enough power to harm you. It only hurts a little bit. No blood. So, back to it. Okay, we got everything set up ready. I don't even really know what I'm doing, but hopefully it holds. I'll try to figure it out. I couldn't connect that, so I just used a wrench. Hopefully it works. I don't know, hopefully I don't die. They're starting to look a little bit more connected. Still not good at all, but not bad. It's my first time. Oh! Yeah, that one was my best one yet, so I actually got a whole bead on there. Pretty proud. Okay, we got everything all welded up, tapped. Really bad welds, my first time ever welding. I'm gonna go test it out, but it's raining. So I'm just gonna have to test it out in here. See how it sounds. Oh, crap. Hopefully it's a little bit better than just a straight pipe. Should be. Just came off of my old Chinese pit bike that I sold a couple months ago. Looks pretty good though. Okay, and I was just trying to pull it off to find the holes. My welds held really good. Okay, it's welded up for the second time and installed with a extra bolt now. And it's not raining, so I can take it out. I'm gonna put a clip of the straight pipe first so you can hear the difference. Cool down a little bit. I don't think it hold the best because there's a couple of leaks. Yeah, it's wiggling around a little bit. Still sounds better. I'm gonna have to weld it up again. I gotta practice some more. But other than that, that's the video for today. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment any other ideas you have for the go-kart. I'm thinking about building a body, maybe fiberglass or maybe sheet metal, I don't know. Peace.